Hello, hello. Hello, guys. You we're gonna play. About something about cats. Yes, the same as about. Don't ask where it's over. Battle cats. Oh, of course, I was. Can you teach what the hell up? Oh, guys, if about Battle Cats, one of my favorite games. Yes, favorites. No, you do not know any to scout. So that's why I have so many. Thanks for the whole. I'm to make bleeds for my eyes when if I got Scarlet Queens or Scarlet or things or something. Yeah. What the hell? Give me. I will send that for. We can get a whale ticket. Yeah, let's do learning. Things like so I really hope you can. Yeah, thanks for this, man. So that's why I have nothing. Yeah. Lucky capsule.
If you're new to Summoner's Greed, don't start putting all your gold into a slimy build. Go get your 30 free summons from the in-game mail and use it to summon a stronger monster.
No.
With your legendary defeat the Joint Revenge map to get Slime King for free.
No.
Slime King has AoE damage, so put him in between Mighty. And Sweetie to boost his attack and speed that way.
Summoner's Greed. Don't install these apps. But let's see. Just so Battle Cats. Yo! Yes! Little cow! Hello, little cow! You were base. Wait. A little thing. I like it. Time for literally epic quest. I really need this person right over here. Well, yes, you see that. You actually see it. Maximum or not? Okay, ready, set, go. And one more fours. I didn't even need that. A breaking cat. I'll need a 4 cat. I'll need a 4 cat again, okay? I just didn't need the 4. I just didn't need 4. Sorry, Mom. Sorry. Just gotta delete. I like. Enough of tapping. Let's just make sure that and allow my things. And let's go here, Denmark. Alright. I see this, so let's do it. Ready, set, go. Now down. Yeah, don't ask. That was just a funny joke. Guess who's too little to be true? It's him. Yes, little sexy legs is basically some. Where's my giant? Where's my giant? Don't ask why I have these little men. Let's get Viking. Let's get 4-cat. Oh, nice Viking cat in here. Good boy. Where is he? 8 and 5, 2. Plus, let's just get some more Kikos here. Yeah. If you don't know what you do, you have to get here. You have to get that if you're over here. Guys, let's kill the milk. Oh, you didn't. Let's get a black use. To a stew of bean chopper. Plus the king pig thing is very easy. Easier than that damn whoa metal man. Boom bambo. We might have to do some cat CPU things or something. Or speed up. I'd say speed up. Because the more speed, the more good deeds. Oh god, no. I shouldn't have said that. That was a to say, well, I couldn't. I wouldn't know who could do the trick. Hey, broken. Wait. Oh, lizard food. Not if I am the gas cannon. He said. Hey, bro, I thank you. Hello, long range, hairy, bearded dragon looking. No! No. I did not want this. I did not want this. Why is little cat doing nothing? Little cat, come on. Kill the damn misters. Wait, speaking of misters, why didn't I bring him? Well, there's only one thing we could do, which is send them back. Bye. Just bye to them. I'll put them right here. Okay. As they're supposed to be. Oh, wait. I think I got it. Maybe use the normal on me. Normal. Yeah. Let's go. The normal. Beat the stick. Be careful. The two walking. My door. In the crate. What's you gonna do? Break their legs. Dead. See? Guys, I think you want a lot. How dare you do that to my door? How dare you? Model kill. Model. Go. How does he do that? Look at what I am! Yeah. Look at that person. Yeah, don't ever try to model. Oh, no, it's dead. They are dead. Yep. Oh, God. 12 are lucky. Don't leave you on me. No. Model. So, actually dead and I. Oh, yeah, you're dead. How dare you? What the hell? Who said you could kill me? Not this, not that. Boom. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. How does this do? Yes. I am selfish. But oh yeah, I forgot. So he's sniper. I don't have the he's a sniper now. Yes. Yeah. And now they're dead. Say goodbye to your life. Bye. Bow! Waters took the pen. Oh, so I forgot there's a blind spot. Bye. All ranged things have blind spots. Come on. Don't kill the true Valoraki. Don't kill her. See, she only has open. Yeah. Why did you not die? No. Yeah. Aha! Two Valorki's done. Two! Yeah, how do you like that? You know, that was so bad. And I have two of our Valorkis. Yeah, they're gonna kill you a lot. They're killing you at the same time, I bet. Boom! No, not our Valorki. Not today to kill our Valorkis. Yeah, you're a little too late. Yeah, back. Did you forget we had like 500 Valorkis? This is basically Druid speak. There only no eggs, no egg, just trailers. Oh, Twee! Oh. What's Twee Valorki's this? Towards to the base. That took 8 minutes, but I have to get these. Look at them. Seven, 8. Oh, zipper. So guys, I'll get back to you next time. See ya.